Hi, in this Excel tutorial, we're going to go over how to create a data entry form in Excel without VBA. Using this can help you enter data faster by condensing your fields into an easy-to-use form. To do this, we're going to need the special form command. To add it, simply right-click anywhere on your ribbon and select Customize the ribbon. So I'm going to filter this for commands not in my ribbon and then scroll until you find the form command, which is right here. Now this needs to be added to a custom group. If you don't have one, you'll need to click this button to create a new group. I've already created one from before, so I'm just going to add it here and click OK. The first thing we'll need to do is to set up the fields that we want to collect data for. And these can be anything, but we'll just do for this example a simple first name, last name, and phone number. And I'm going to format mine as a table, but just know that it's not necessary. I just want mine to look nice. And by the way, if you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for even more tips. So now, simply go back to where you have your form command, click on it, and begin entering. And when you're done with all the fields for a record, simply click on New, and this will take you to the next record to continue entering. Super easy, right? Well, there are a few things to keep in mind as you use this so that your data entry goes smoothly. First, while this form command is open, you can't do anything to your spreadsheet. You'll need to close out of this, do what you need to do, and then with your cursor still anywhere on your data field, click on Form Control to again pick up where you started. Number 2, notice when I open this again, the form fields are back on the first record. So you want to make sure to scroll all the way down so that you don't end up accidentally typing over an existing field and losing that data. And number 3, I think it's helpful to format the columns for any fields that need special formatting before you start. For example, like the phone number here. Let's format that as a phone number. And this way, whoever's doing the data entry can see this as they're entering and know not to include the dashes at the time that they're doing the entering. Number 4, if you decide that you'd like to add a new field, simply insert a column and add the header for that field. So let's say we want to enter state, and next time you open your form, that new field will be there. Number 5, to search through the fields, click criteria and type the criteria that you'd like to search for in its corresponding field. So let's say I want to search for Buddy. I type Buddy, click enter, and this lets me know that Buddy's record is number 3 of 6. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on how to make a data entry form without using VBA in Microsoft Excel. If you did, please make sure to like the video and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thanks.